Just look at them.
What are they celebrating this time? They're always having fun parties and activities, and I'm never invited to.
Okay. It's the 1-year anniversary of Park B.
Happy birthday, Park B!
And I made a special candle that roars when you blow it out.
Okay, well, that's pretty cool.
Olivia's spying on us again. Should we kick her out now?
Can't we do the cake first?
Okie dokie, Park Ranger. We'll kick her out later. All right, let's all blow out the candle together and make a wish for T-Rex Ranch.
How does Olivia keep breaking in? I guess she's smarter than me. Sometimes I wish I were the gadget wizard.
They have the coolest activities and gadgets. I wish I were a park ranger.
Man, raptors are so cool. I wish I was a raptor. Hey, what's the raptor doing over there?
I wish for an epic T-Rex Ranch mystery adventure.
1, 2, 3.
My wish, it came true, but too literally. I'm stuck in the gadget wizard's body!
And I'm in a Park Ranger's body. I'm already regretting this.
Park Ranger Darren! Oh, Park Ranger Darren, you wish to be the gadget wizard! Oh, yes, she's so much smarter than me. Oh.
Yeah, I am. Everyone wants to be me. The Gadget Wizard!
All right, cool it, Park Ranger MD. Wait, what did he wish to be? What?
Help! I'm stuck in a raptor's body!
Does that raptor sound like Park Ranger Asher to you guys? Oh no, he must have wished to be a raptor. So wait, who did you wish to be? Nobody. I just wish for us all to have an epic T-Rex Ranch mystery. Oh.
Well, this is a mystery, all right.
It's also a mystery how these dinosaurs keep getting out of their paddocks. This bike is way too big for me now.
Man, I really regret breaking my time rewind gadget now.
Man, he is not letting down. Time to show him who's boss. Yep. Blaster! Thank you. Ah! Oh, this is heavier than I remember. Ha! Yeah! Yeah!
There, fence restored.
You have way too much access to this ranch.
That's because Gadget Wizard rules.
Yeah, okay. We have to find Asher and Raptor Asher before T-Bone does.
Yeah, and we have to go back and make the opposite wish on the cake.
You're right. Okay, you two go find Asher. I will guard the cake.
Whoa! Us two?
Why us two?
Because you two are the best at tracking and gadgets, and she would steal the cake.
I would.
Ugh, fine, but no funny business.
Fine, but only until we switch back.
Ouch! Brothersaurus, I'll just walk. Hey, wait up!
This is so weird. Okay, guard the cake. I can do that. Guard the cake. What was that? you are. Asher, no, that's dino food. Oh, well, I guess you're a dino now. No, not the cake, over my park ranger vest. Hey, this is not for you. Okay, watch it, buddy, watch it. No, listen, you do not get to eat the cake. You do not get to eat me, not today. Okay, whoa. Okay, easy, Raptor Ranger. I was one once too. It's a hard life. Oh, sleepy juice, yeah, okay. Ooh, how does this look? Yeah, come here, you thirsty? Come on, buddy, come on, here. I'm just gonna set that right there. Go on, take a little drinky drink. Ooh, so good. Oh yeah, that's good. Drink up, friend. Nice. There you go. Excellent. Nighty-night. Ah, phew. Save the cake. Oops.
Oh, it's just you. All right, we're at the raptor pen. So, what can I use?
How do you invent all these gadgets with all this hair in your face?
I don't know how you invent anything at all with these giant hands. I just keep knocking things over. Aha! What's that?
Oh, well, this is a dino listener. I can use it to listen to dinos. Ha!
Lame.
It's not lame. It's dino-tastic. Is that our fossil finder?
Yep. I swiped it so I can reprogram it to track raptors. Mwahaha! I win.
No way. Mine is definitely better.
We'll see who finds your park ranger buddy first.
Oh, I'm so fast!
Okay. What do I do? Oh, maybe I can make one of those no-bake cake recipes that you refrigerate? In the cooler? No. Oh, or maybe I can make it with our laser goggles? Or maybe I should just call in emergency help before Darren and Olivia invent a slapping device for me for dropping the cake!
Hey there, Park Ranger.
Hi, LB. I need your help. I dropped a cake and I need to make a new one. Do you think you could send over a no-bake cake recipe?
Well, that's no good. I'll zap over something you can use.
Ah, thanks, LB. You're the best. Wait a minute. You guys have an oven over there. Could you just bake it for me, please?
Yeah, no problem. We'll take care of it.
Ah, thanks, LB. You're the best.
Okay, Captain, out.
Over and out. Uh-oh. Oh, I sure hope LB is a fast baker.
Park Ranger Asher! Where is he? Oh no, we both failed. This plan went to Dino duty.
Or we're both way too good at finding raptors.
Oh, holy Camposaurus! Please tell me one of you is Park Ranger Asher.
I never thought I'd miss the soccer kid.
No! I'm all the darts!
Don't you have some raptor treats or something?
Yeah, duh. Here they are. What? Not like that.
didn't mean to throw it that far. I forgot I was in your body. Man, I'm really starting to miss mine.
Yeah, me too. I miss my dino bike and I'm not used to being this short. I can't see anything. Okay, think, Park Ranger Darren, think. If you were Raptor Asher, where would you be?
Where would Soccer Kid go?
That's it! Sorry. But that's it. Soccer. He loves soccer. That soccer feels like a second home to him. You're a genius.
Duh. Gadget Wizard.
Oh, stop. This way! Park Ranger Asher!
Soccer Kid, where are you? Wait, look.
Oh, Park Ranger Asher must be hiding. Park Ranger Asher! There's no need to be afraid, it's just us. It's your buddies. Park Ranger Darren and, the Gadget Wizard.
Just get out here so we can undo these wishes before I wish T-Rex Ranch would disappear.
Never thought I'd be happy to see the Gadget Wizard.
Park Ranger Zoe, do you copy? We have found Park Ranger Asher. I repeat, we have found Park Ranger Asher.
Copy that. And I have Dino Asher here. He's asleep. Come back and let's have another round of cake.
Ah! Ow! I am so sorry. That's okay. I mean, I'd probably have the same reaction if I saw the Gadget Wizard. Uh-oh. Yes! Ah! Thanks, LB! Yeah. All right, come on, let's make these wishes. On the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Thank goodness. Back to normal.
Oh boy. But that means...
Watch out! Woo! All right, back in its raptor paddock, where he belongs.
Mission log 7-6. Never forget that your own body is where you belong. Because we all have awesome skills.
And some mysteries are best left alone. Yeah. Well, now that this is all over, I don't think you'll be eating that cake and candle, will you? Hey, come back!
Don't make any more wishes! Happy birthday, Park B. Feliz cumpleaños.